Hey guys, we move to the next question, and the next question is again another Para Jumble question. So here we need to rearrange the sentences, and it's a theta-based question. We need to type the answer in the box given below. So there are four sentences which have been provided here. So as for um, our strategy, we need to follow that all these sentences and their first word, right? Now, look at the first means a word of each sentence. The first word of each sentence tells us that what um, wolf, right? So this could be a kind of a text which is clearly indicating that a literature based because it is stated wolf stories open a window into a different kind of a mind. Now, if I talk about that, wolf stories means हो सकता है it refers to the Virginia wolf, right? Virginia wolf. तो क्योंकि when we say that wolf stories open a window into a different kind of a mind, इसका मतलब ये point out होता है कि Virginia Woolf stories understand the way means see, think and feel, which is different from the ordinary people. So that's what it is stated. When stories open a window into a different kind of a mind, it means it is Wolf stories, nothing but a unique one. The second one is stated Wolf could sort, analyze, and express the plot of impression, producing work of rare originality. Now, again, we find out that what she was able to organize and understand, what you can say that the many thoughts and feelings she experienced and you can say that turn them into writing. So that was very creative and not like anyone else's, isn't it? So one which is stated about means how she think, how she feel, and that's what is different from the ordinary people. Second, which is stated, Wolf could sort, analyze, and express the flood of impression. Mm, producing work of rare originality. So this could be indicating as she was able to organize and understand the many thoughts and feelings she experienced and turn them into writing. That was very creative and not like anyone else's, right? Then we have a third number's sentence. What does it say? Third number said, Wolf gave me an insight into P's world far beyond clinical or self-help book. So it means when we talk about Wolf gave me an insight, Wolf gave me an insight means if means it is stated by the author that what when the author read means Virginia Woolf's books or writing, so that gave you can say that what that helped the author to understand the piece, right? Piece inner character or inner world. It means you can say that what it is stated no peach world far beyond clinical or self-help books. So when I say clinical, it means it is telling about psychology, and self-help books means it refers to self-improvement books ever good. So that is what we could find out in a third sentence. And in the fourth sentence, it is stated Wolf could safely sort, analyze, and expresses all the information, feelings, and experiences he held in her mind. Now, when we say that Virginia Woolf could safely sort, now if you observe that, uh, means the option four and we can say that what yeah, option four and option two is nothing but a kind of a repetitive one because option two said Wolf could sort, analyze, and express. Right. Four is also said that Wolf could safely sort, analyze, and express all the information, feelings, and experiences she held in her mind. In that case, we can say um, uh, four is trying to tell that what Wolf have that ability to calmly and clearly make sense of everything she felt and also experienced and to express it. We can say that express it through her writing without getting overwhelmed, right? That's what we can draw from the text. Now, if we would like to make a connection, तो अगर मुझे कनेक्शन करना है तो मैं समझ में आ गया कि फर्स्ट से लेके फोर्थ सेंटेंस तक ये किसके ऊपर है, वर्जीनिया वुल्फ के ऊपर है. सो लाइक दैट्स व्हाट आई अज्यूम, बिकॉज व्हेन वी आर सेइंग दैट वुल्फ स्टोरीज, right, and how wolf could write certain things, and what kind of insight wolf have about a particular character, then what is called that wolf could safely sort, analyze, and express all the information. So on the basis of that, we can say means option one, which if I take that, will storage open a window into a different kind of a mind. Now this could be a kind of a concluding line. It seems why, because you see that here it is stated, wolf stories open a window into a different kind of a mind. Now this comes when you know about the stories, right? And what present in the old stories. You cannot give the kind of a judgment by saying that old stories open a window into a different kind of a mind. So that's why I assume that option one could be the kind of a concluding sentence. Now, moving to the two, Wolf could sort, analyze, and express the flood of impression, producing work of rare originality. So, when I go with option two, it seems like what? Option two and option four both are repetitive. So, in that case, either two comes first or four comes first. But at the same time, if I look at that two and four, two is trying to say that what Wolf's unique ability, Wolf could sort, analyze, and express the flood of impression. It indicates that Wolf के अपना जो unique ability है, so जैसे कि her creative power to do what? Her creative power to handle many many impressions and make something unique or rare originality or called as authentic. That is what it tries to say that कि उल्फ किस हिसाब से इंट्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं, मीन्स ऑथर किस हिसाब से उल्फ को इंट्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं by saying that what are the unique ability that wolf have, right? So her creative power to handle many impressions and make something authentic and unique. So that's what option two is trying to tell, right? But at the same time, when I go with the option four, so I could find out option four is trying to tell what? Why do I go immediately with the option four? Because two जो लैंग्वेज ऑप्शन टू में है वही लैंग्वेज ऑप्शन फोर में है सो इट सीम्स लाइक अ रिपीटेशन राइट बट if you observe that there is a slight difference from option 2 and option 4. तो यहाँ पे मैं अगर एक ट्रिक यूज करूँ दैट्स कॉल्ड एज अ नाउन प्रोनाउन रिलेशनशिप अप्रोच तो मुझे यहाँ पे दिख रहा है कि ऑप्शन 2 begins with उल्फ right so even option 4 is also beginning with the ulf but it is stated Wolf could safely sort, analyze, and express all the information, feelings, and experiences she held in her mind. Now, after writing she or her, we cannot jump to again Wolf, right? So I could say that what option four means it's trying to say that it extends मतलब ये elaborate कर रहा है it extends and deepens what was said in sentence 2 right sentence 2 में क्या कहा गया है उसको option 4 क्या कर रहा है means it tries to extend and deepens it repeats the idea of what sort analyze and also you can find out that express what all the information but it also adds the sense of what adds the sense of safety and adds the sense of control right so which could manage which could manage her inner world effectively so if I observe that four naturally does what four naturally follows too right? Who naturally follows two. So in that case, we can consider means the first sentence should be two, the second sentence should be four. So And that is what called as a nothing but naturally 2, 4 follows 2. Now, after that, if I say, as I have already pointed, option 1 is the conclusion. 3 would be the next, which is stated, Wolf gave me an insight. So it means author is stating that what means after explaining Wolf's mental and creative ability, the author is stating about what means telling about uh, option 3, which is stated, Wolf gave me an insight into Pete's world far beyond clinical or self books, right? And one it said that Wolf's stories open a window into a different kind of a mind. Now, in that case, sentence 3 is explaining Wolf's mental and means creative ability, isn't it? And after that, it shows the effect of her writing. So, what is that effect her writing? Effect her writing is nothing but create clinical or self-help books, right? That it help the speaker understand someone deeply. So, 3 is following nothing but you can say 2, 4, and 3, right? Um, so 3 follows 4 because the reader's insight comes from nothing but its expressive power, right? Then the last one is called as a sentence one, which I have already pointed. So that what whose stories open a window into a different kind of a mind. It means this particular gives a broad and as well as summarizing the conclusion by saying that what wood stories let us see a unique mind. Wood stories allows readers to see the what see a unique mind, and it also tries back to the earlier ideas about creativity, clarity, and insight, isn't it? So if I say that what um, I can say that one would immediately follows after that, and one fits at the end as the overall statement about her week. So therefore the answer should be what? 2 4 3 1. 2 4 3 1 is the sequence. Got my point? So 2 is the first, 4 is the second, and 3 is the 3, and 1 is the 4, right? That is what. So that is what the answer, right? Thank you.